Hey there people, how's it going? And today we're going to be talking about the BISSELL AeroSwift Vacuum Cleaner. Yeah, okay, well, I'm not completely happy with this vacuum, but it is a decent vacuum. I've had it for probably going on, I'll say 2 to 3 years now. And it picks up decent, not perfect. I've seen a lot better. Picks up decently, adequately, you know, like good enough to what I'll say the average vacuum cleaner is supposed to do. Well, what I really do like about the vacuum, this one is kind of compact, very lightweight. Yeah, and what my very best thing about it is that I like is the canister here. I can't stand vacuums that have where you have to change out the bags. Bags and me do not mix. I hate that. That's old-fashioned, I think, and it should be completely abolished. Having to go out and buy new bags every time, put them in, and then throw them away and put a new bag in. Oh my God, people live that way. But no, I like the fact that these have canisters and it is detachable. I mean, you just detach it like here and lift it out, you know, and then just put it back. No problem, like that. And it has a washable filter inside, and you just collect it in here, empty it when you're done, and you're good to go. It's 3 different levels. Well, actually 5 different levels, sorry. High carpet, the 4 setting, the 3 setting, and the 2 setting, and the bare floor. Like I said, it cleans up adequately. It's not super great. This is not a very expensive vacuum, so it gives you what you pay for pretty much, and it's just an okay job. Like, if you turn it on, it has a foot pedal there that you turn on from the bottom right there, and that starts the vacuum. So if you just press down at the bottom, it starts and it vacuums. Okay. So it does an adequate job of cleaning. I mean, it had some particles there, but it kind of got them up pretty good. So, I mean, I've seen better, but it does the job. I mean, this is my main vacuum that I use, and it's not bad. I can't say it's bad. It just does a good job. I'll say that. Yeah, the BISSELL. One thing I did not like about it that really bothered me right away when I first got it, there is a piece right here that broke off right away, which is why you see me laying it down. This is the part that holds it up like this and keeps it up. Now it falls by itself, and it just popped off by itself. It was not messed with or made like dropped or kicked or anything like that. It's a piece that kind of comes out like this, you know. So, and you're supposed to, you know, put your foot on it, and this is supposed to relax so you can get under carpets and wherever you need to go to clean, right? It just popped right off and broke, and I couldn't put it back on. I tried really, really hard to put it back on. I'm not sure why it did that, but early on. I must have had this maybe about, I'll say 2 months, and that happened, and that really bothered me. But I continue to use it, and it's been doing just a decent job. I'm not incredibly unhappy with it, but that was one of the biggest things that really bothered me. I was going to try to return it, but it was past the time of return from the place I got it. But other than that, it's a pretty decent vacuum. This part in the front is about a foot wide. I know a lot of people like a wider space. I mean, that's so they can get more floor when they clean, but this is a compact cleaner, so it's supposed to be kind of small. Yeah, so, okay, well, that is the BISSELL AeroSwift Vacuum Cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this and used this information. Okay, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.